Hello everyone, happy Independence Day to you all. Today we will see how to make this tricolor earrings. So I have used brass wire and seed beads. They look really very bright. So let's quickly see what are the items required. I'm enclosing a list as well in detail, so you can go through in case when you prepare it you have any doubts. We need 7-inch 18-gauge wire 2-piece, so 2-inch 2-piece, 2 mm seed beads, tricolors, and 26-gauge wire for wrapping, 24 or 26 gauge wire. So you can see I have made the markings here. When on the first mark in a sketch pen or a marker midpoint, and then 1 mm on both the side, and from there 4 mm on both side, and then again 1 mm. Basically we are going to make a rectangular shape like this. So I have given the measurement in the list, you can go through. So before starting, better to mark so that it's easy for you to work. Basically 2 mm by 4 mm is the shape. So you can see exactly on both the side the point meet there. We have to make one wire, make it 90 degree, and the other one we use for wrapping around. So use a round nose plier. One or two wraps and then cut off the excess wire. We make a loop. You can see loop I am making a horizontal side, because when we attach the ear hook, that will be the correct position. So now take the 26 gauge or 24 gauge wire for wrapping. What I have done is already 7-inch of wire. I have taken the beads inside. So now you can wrap them. One wrap, and on the other side we do the wrapping. So I have done 4 wrappings, and then similarly the white one, the 4, and green one I am making only 3. As you can see, the orange, the 4th line is very small, so to keep it uniform I'm only only making 3 layers of green at the end. So make the simple. So I made the other earring as well. Now we will make the ear hook. Take 2-inch wire, make a small loop at the end and wire wrap around 7-8 wraps, and using a pen you can make the shape. So it's very simple. Just give some shape for the ear hook. So that's done. So now to give it a proper flag look, we will attach a blue bead, a 4 mm blue bead I am taking here. Take a 5-inch wire, fix on one side of the wire and then attach the blue bead and wrap it on the other side. So trim the ends. So this is our final earrings. Let me know in the comment section if you like the earrings, and please do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed so far. Thanks for watching.